Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we will be discussing an important topic, that is criminal complaint. So how to file a criminal complaint in India? You can follow these steps outlined below. First one, identify the jurisdiction. Determine the appropriate police station where you need to file the complaint based on the location where the offense occurred. The complaint should be filed in the jurisdiction where the offense took place. Second, prepare a written complaint. Prepare a written complaint detailing the incident, including all the relevant facts and information. Be clear and concise in describing the offense and provide any supporting evidence or documents if available. Third one, visit the local police station. Take the written complaint to the concerned police station. Ask to meet with the duty officer or the officer in charge, that is SHO, of the police station. Explain your situation and express your desire to file a criminal complaint. Provide all the details and submit the written complaint. Fourth one, register the complaint. The police officer should register your complaint in the general diary or station diary known as the FIR, that is First Information Report. Ensure that the FIR contains accurate and complete information about the offense. Fifth one, obtain the copy of FIR. Request a copy of FIR from the concerned police station. The FIR is an important document and serve as a proof that your complaint has been registered. Sixth one, investigation. The police will then initiate an investigation based on the FIR. They may question witnesses, collect evidence, and take other necessary steps to gather information about the offense. Seventh one is follow-up. Maintain regular contact with the police to inquire about the progress of the investigation. Provide any additional information or evidence that may be required to support your complaint. It's worth noting that the above steps are general guidance and the process may vary slightly depending on the jurisdiction and nature of offense. If you encounter any difficulty or any legal advice, it's advisable to consult a lawyer who specializes in the criminal law in India, or you can contact me directly. So guys, thank you for watching today's video on seeking advice on how to file criminal complaint in India. We hope the information has given you a helpful review for a legal advice and process involved. If you have any question or need further assistance, please don't forget to like and subscribe and share this video. And I hope आपको ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी होगी. If you have any query or legal advice आप चाहते हैं, you can directly contact me on my phone number given in the description box. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Thank you so much.